Brothers in the West, today we are here to celebrate Fiji's independence. I'm indeed humbled and honored to be able to stand before you here today as an elected member of Parliament and as the Assistant Minister for Agriculture, Rural and Maritime Development and Disaster Management to join with you and with all your families here in Lautoka and the Western Division in commemorating our National Fiji Day celebration. As we are aware that tomorrow, Friday, 10th October 2014, will officially mark the 44th year of the independence of our nation. Fiji has indeed come a long way since 1970, when we were given the instruments of independence by Prince Charles. During the past 44 years, our beloved Fiji has experienced rapid growth and development, has encountered big challenges during these years of being independent. But we have always managed to move forward towards a positive progress and steady development, which we can all proudly say that we have made it. This year, the theme for our Fiji Day celebration is celebrating Fiji's new dawn. On September 17, 2014, we, the people of Fiji, cast our votes in the first ever truly fair election. We have all been able to exercise our rights and select our representatives to Parliament. You, the people of Fiji, have also spoken with your votes and determined whom you want to be the government for the next 4 years. Ladies and gentlemen, the 80% voter turnout is a testament to the fact that our elections are truly representative of the will of the people and intrinsically linked to the willingness of our people to participate in our new democracy with the promise of development, prosperity, inclusiveness, and opportunity. His Excellency, the President, opened the new Parliament on the 7th of October 2014. And during his address stated that we are to dedicate ourselves once and for all to the democratic ideals of genuine equality for all Fijians, and resolve to work constructively in our new democracy. We have now assembled the building blocks for our new democracy, namely the Constitution, a new Parliament, and a newly elected government. We, the people of Fiji, need to all join hands and work together towards a just, economically, financially, and socially strong and vibrant multicultural society. It is indeed an independence to remember, as this year, for the first time, the rights of all races who call Fiji their home are recognized. Also, for the first time, each Fijian's vote is counted. And we have, for the first time, an array of individual rights being recognized and written in our supreme law. We have achieved a fair and level playing field where all Fijians are equally accepted, equally appreciated, and equally valued. This is a remarkable achievement for Fiji, and we must congratulate ourselves for building cohesiveness and oneness. That is unity, not only in name, but also in deed. Lest we forget, as we move towards the future, we reflect on our past. Fiji has been enriched by the fabrics of history. Fiji's men and women have served faithfully through the good and hard times of our nation and in government. in the disciplined forces, in the businesses and the private sectors, in the various committees and on the sporting fields. We are further blessed by the unending support and inspiration given without any cost by our loved ones, by our mothers, by our fathers, by our uncles and our aunties, and the ordinary people who did extraordinary things to shape our lives and destiny of our beloved Fiji. In this celebration of Fiji's Independence Day, I challenge you to continue the good works and the sacrifice and commitment that uphold these nations together and better our lives for the future, for our future generations. Ladies and gentlemen, celebrating a new dawn is truly up to us, and I believe we are on the threshold of achieving even greater heights. And this morning I would like to remind us to continue to move positively towards the new dawn of tomorrow and support the democratically elected government, which our Prime Minister has stated clearly this is the government for the people. No matter what is your race, what is your religion, what is your gender, or what is your political allegiance, your elected government is committed to serving you, the people of Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, above all, we stand tall, united together today to commemorate and celebrate and enjoy our 44th Independence Day. Without further ado, it is now my pleasure to officially open the Western Division Fiji Day celebration. Vinavolevu Denabad, thank you and may God bless Fiji.
Another big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to our chief guest.